Students at one of the biggest international schools in town recently competed in a science fair, but organizers say they were more interested in making science fun than giving out awards for the best project. Reporter Wing tells us more.
Does the color of a liquid affect the way people perceive its smell? That was a question two grade 11 students tried to answer with their project. They filled several test tubes with chemical compounds called esters and specific fragrances. A dozen volunteers were then asked to smell the colored water and say what it smelled like. They found people were more likely to detect the smell of strawberries in the liquid that was pink in color and pineapples in the yellow liquid.
Because we had to make the esters ourselves, so it took us long to try which process is good and take help of the teacher and to actually see if it smells like the smell. We didn't buy them, we made them.
More than 360 students from Shanghai United International School's 7 campuses took part. They were allowed to base their projects on any topic related to science and present their findings in any way they felt appropriate.
In many fiction movies or 007, there are secret doors in museums to hide things, but thieves may easily find them. So we came up with the idea of turning the bookshelf into a secret door. I think it's a very meaningful activity, which let us know more about technology and the use of simple machines.
I think my child would think more about extracurricular issues rather than in-class studies. She now thinks more about something that's useful in life or good for the environment. Awards were given out for the best projects, but organizers say the main goal was to inspire students to take an interest in science.
I expect them to learn the excitement of science, but I also want them to learn the actual the motivation for planning things out themselves rather than copying what other people tell them to do. And I think in the modern world that's a crucial skill to have.
This is the first year the school had held such a large science fair, but it plans to hold more in the future. Wing, Shanghai Live.